Hello everyone, welcome to our session Unscripted. I hope all of you are doing fine.
हक दिया
Set aura minus infinity.
Shit.
So let's get to the point. From today on, I'm thinking to make a daily observation video inspired by one YouTube channel from India. I saw his video. Actually, one of my friend recommend me that channel to watch and make some kind of video. So I said, why not? Why not to show the people what's happening on Kathmandu Valley Road, Kathmandu Valley City. I will just observe and show you and tell you what's happening in like daily basis or in weekly basis. Let's see. I have Tramp Scrambler 400X. The camera I'm using to shoot this one is DJI Osmo 360, and also this is single lens mode, and this is not super night mode or no any night mode or super night super boost video. This is my setting. This is 5K 25 FPS ultra wide lens with my some setting tweak. So let's see, let's observe. Let's observe what's happening. See, I said let's observe, then the phone is ringing. Hello? Hello? So I think the phone has been caught. So let's see. So cycling. What? There is a ping already for the say. Police station is being recovered. Actually, I'm a very busy person. So many calls I have to answer in a day. So it's like 6:15 in the evening. So someone is waiting for bus, tempo, or I don't know for Pathao. So here they are packing. I don't know what. Okay. Let's observe and tell you. Actually, the Chuche party, Chabil Chuche party, there is a Jutta Mela over here. Okay. Okay, the Nepali flag on bullet. So today there is not too much traffic. Other day here too much traffic. Today it's not, so it's good for me. So this is KL Tower. Okay, this is EV. There is no sound. In Dasai, I don't know what guys you have planned, but for me, I'm going to Mustang Upper Mustang ride. So let's see how it goes, because the road has been closed, open, closed, open. It's like playing like what you say, open, close, like Airtel, they are playing road.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
When it's time to go, that time the road has been open or no. So yeah, so many people have question that is it easy to maneuver Tramp Scrambler 400X in traffic or no. Yeah, in the beginning it's hard, but once you get used to it, it's very easy. Like see, for me it's very easy for me. Okay, so this is a Chabil Chowk. And there is too much traffic over here. See, it's very easy. In the beginning, I find it very difficult to maneuver this bike in the traffic, but now it's like peanut butter. Like, hello. See, too much traffic because this is office chutti hour. So everyone is returning there in their home. See the tempo over here, it's a chargeable tempo, EV tempo. And this is Charumati Stupa. There is one Bodha Stupa, also big one. It's very dark, but from my camera, from the setting I did, it's coming very nice. Oh, Uncle Ji. See, the auntie is being superhero. For this video, I came this route. Otherwise, I will just use the riverside route, so it will not get. So traffic police stopped us. So see, in Nepal, you can stand after the zebra crossing. So my petrol line is also only 3. So I think I have to fill it up. The ambulance is coming. So this is, I think, which bike is R15? Yes. When I was kid, this bike used to be my dream bike. And the Honda Dio scooty, which I have before. From this Honda Dio, I have traveled a lot, from Manang, Mustang, everywhere. Okay, Pulsar 220F, the legend bike. You find it everywhere, and also easy to steal. The Chore's favorite bike. Okay, so they say you can go, so we are going now. So it's dark already. I don't know how the footage is coming. I think it should become nice. The petrol pump is over here. People are waiting here for the bus or the Pathao or the tempo, I don't know. And this is the Pasupatinath area. It's the like Ganeshwar, I think, the place name. So I lived in Kathmandu, but I don't know the place name here. Gausala Chowk. So luckily I do not have to wait. So there is a straight line, but still he is trying to go pass over this straight line. This is the traffic rules Nepalese citizens follow. Not all of, but some people. So many people are returning to their home. So here we came. See the traffic rules they follow. It's a straight line, but still he passes through that. He doesn't have any traffic sense. So okay, so I got lucky here too, because I don't have to wait here also. Otherwise here also I have to wait at least 5 to 10 minutes. Actually the traffic is less now, because as you know, the Dasai and Tihar, Dasai actually, Tihar is a long way to come, but Dasai is coming. So in Kathmandu Valley, many people who lived outside from Kathmandu Valley, they came here for work, and when the festival comes, they go to their home. almost he break my leg from his tire. मामू आए ना. So because so many people already left to their home from Kathmandu Valley, that's why the traffic is very less compared to other day. Taj Girls Hostel, Tata Neo Nexon. There is, see, the tempo wala can stop anywhere to get the passenger, anywhere in the middle of the road or wherever he want. And good citizen. So as the Dasai is approaching, everyone is doing shopping for Dasai. Especially this is not the place where you do shopping. In the new road area, there's lot of people, lot of like crowd there. Maybe I will go if I get a chance, and I will show you the crowd there are insane. Today there is nothing interesting to observe. I am trying to get the interesting things to observe, but no, actually maybe my first video of daily observation is going to be boring one. So this is a parliament. So finally we have to stop in traffic after getting lucky for 2 times. It's like 86 seconds. So let's stay neutral. Okay, Fascino 1, the ladies scooter. This is behind this, there is a dark, that's why you cannot see, but inside this wall there is a parliament, and here is a building. This is Baneswar, new Baneswar Chowk. I miss like walking like this with friends, like these 3 guys. In the group of 4 friends, I am always this alone one. This is the Baneswar, and this is the way to go to Sankhamul. Like almost like now it's like 2025. So almost like 8 to 9 years before, I used to stay here in this area. Actually not this area, in Sankhamul, and I used to study CA. I will show you the institute where I study CA, but in Cap 1 I left my study. I quit. So this is it's close. This is the Chaitanya Institute of Management. Here it used to be samosa shop, not doll shop. And yeah, there is one funny incident inside this mall. Actually, I get very pressurized for pee, and I went inside that mall, and I didn't see the men's or women's toilet. I just go inside and start peeing. And when I finish and when I came out, there is a lady outside waiting for me and asks me, "Can't you read? It's a ladies' toilet." And I feel embarrassed. But what to do? I was in very emergency situation. I didn't have time to read. So now I'm going to show you the narrowest pool in Kathmandu. Here, you barely two bike can pass. See, this is very narrow. Narrow bridge. This is Sankhamul bridge. It's called Sankhamul pool. See, it's very narrow. Barely two bike can pass at the same time, and also there is a people. So luckily it's not busy, because every time I came to this bridge it's always busy. So this college, when I used to stay here, there is nothing like this college didn't exist. This like something like mall didn't exist, and this is Yalla Darbar hotel also didn't exist. So many things didn't exist. So this is the boost video mode on my Insta 360. No, sorry. This is the boost mode video on my DJI 360 camera. So let's see how it comes. Actually, I did some tweak also over here. It is not a default setting. I did some tweak. So let's see how it comes. Actually, it is coming nice. Full handlebar, full view. It's nice for vlogging, motor vlogging, right? This is the perfect framing. Okay, daily observation. As I told you, this is the same mall. So let's go. I have this mode in my camera, but I didn't know. Now I finally know the boost video. Okay, hello car wale. Oh yeah, there is a broken line, so he can go past. So he didn't break any rule. So let's see. So now there is no traffic. We can go all like this, like it's just 8 p.m. Okay. 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 So let's go now. See, I changed my visor to night vision to use it on night. Okay, please check here while crossing the road. Otherwise, if I hit them, the mistake will be mine. Even the mistake will be theirs. Really sorry, I have to also watch. Oh, almost saved by an inch. My English is like a rice plate eating. English speaking is not like rice plate eating. It's like Undertaker play. Taj Mahal create. But I'm trying my best, because I want that my video will go to the large audience as much as possible.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर.
Habibi, come to Nepal. So this is Batis Putali. This is the area of this name is Batis Putali. which if we translate it, it's pronounced like 32 butterflies. So the name of this place is 32 butterflies mean Batis Putali. There is also over there Putali Sadak. It's mean butterfly road. Ahaha. I know. It's cringe, but what to do? Speed. Please check before you enter in the main road. So Didis are crossing the road also with bhaiyas. Hello micro, don't speak on call while driving. You should get he should get fined, by the way. If he did the same thing in Dubai, he got fined already. Maybe I should also do the Pathao, in Triumph Scrambler for an attack. Only accept the ladies' request.
Yeah, boy.
How's the idea, guys? Please do comment. In my free time, should I do Pathao in Tribe and accept only the ladies' request or no? But sometimes the request coming from ladies, but the passenger will be men, and that time you will get shit fucked, man. Duke, hero, and on the all legend, Splendor, Vegetor, RTR, and Land Cruiser. Eurostar Montessori. See, nowadays kids start their learning from Montessori. In our time, we directly started our study from class 1, not from Montessori, not from nursery, LKG, UKG. Can my bike go through this? No, my handlebar is too like what you call wide. But yeah, it can go, but no. If by mistake the car get scratched by my handlebar or my mirror, then I have to sell my kidney for the maintenance of this Land Cruiser. Okay, so finally it's open. Let's go. Look. What the fuck, man? It's already past 8:12 p.m. Why there is so much traffic over here? It should be on 6 to 7, not like 8. Okay. So he's watching YouTube videos on his mobile while riding, and it's not safe. Okay, Lal Pari, Safed Para. Okay, मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा. Like, see, he want to impress his girl. That's why he is going shoo like this. But I am alone. So for whom to impress, I will do like this. Do like this. Oh, uncle, almost. Why the rubbish people? Okay. At least you should know the traffic rules, man. You cannot turn from anywhere. You have to look for the broken line. But instead of looking for a broken line, You broke the rules. That's not acceptable, man. Okay. Okay. Why is she's stopped there and looking here and there? Okay. Okay. Kist Medical College. So this is Blue Pari. Oh. Ah. When you have a scrambler, the potholes are nothing. Actually, these potholes, and I will show you the another one. Okay, so here we go. Our 20 these potholes are the road tax we pay in pothole forms. I don't know what I am saying. I just want to make a video in English language, and my English language sucks. But no worry, slowly it will improve. Practice makes the man perfect. But if practice makes the man perfect, then they don't make women perfect. Why every time we say practice makes the man perfect? Why can't be practice makes the woman perfect also? Or why not it would be practice makes everyone perfect, right? I think so. Okay. Observe. Content. Where is content? Hello to Cutie Pie. Where is content, man? This is my first episode, and without any content, shit, man, it will become a very boring video. That's all for today. I hope you like this daily observation video. Hope you will not get bored, and don't worry, my language, my English speaking will improve slowly. The episode by episode, my English speaking will be very good. Don't book by its judge cover. So that's all. See you in next episode. Till then, ride safe, stay safe, be happy, and keep on exploring.